Hi, and thank you for stopping by. I hope you have a good day today. Been having a good day today. And thank you. Stay safe out there, and God bless you. So today I'll be eating uh, the basket of fries. So let me know, have you ever had this basket of fries from McDonald's? And let me know, you think it is bigger than the large fries in McDonald's? Or you think it's just a scam and then tricking you, thinking the basket of fries is bigger and more than the large fries in McDonald's. Okay? And I got this special sauce at McDonald's. Mmm, that's good. So let me know. Have you ever had the basket of fries from McDonald's? And which one you think is bigger, the basket of fries or the large fries from McDonald's? And also, let me know what's your favorite fries from which fast food restaurant. Okay? And thank y'all, and thank you for stopping by. Mm-mm, that's good. And thank you, and God bless you. Until next time, thank you.